Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the Spotify library, and let's begin. First, open up the Spotify app like I've done here. To go to the Spotify library, first to open the library is, if you're starting from home, look over here on the bottom right corner. Do you see this symbol right here? That's the library symbol. You want to tap on that. And this is your Spotify library, okay? Within the library, you have all this stuff like videos, podcasts that you're following, artists that you're following, albums that you have saved, songs that you have saved, radio stations that you have listened to, or you have, I think, liked or something like that, or your playlist. And now, for example, if you go in the library, if you click on the playlist, these are the playlists that I've either saved or downloaded in my phone. And I can go through all of them right here, all these playlists that I have. Or like I also have albums that I've liked or downloaded. All of this in then alphabetical order. And then let's go to radio station. This is the radio stations. These are all the radio stations that I've previously played before. And you can create a new radio station if you want, but just click on here where it says create new playlist. And if we go to made for you, I think these are all like so when you listen to Spotify, it kind of collects data on the type of songs that you like, and it usually makes all this little daily mix of songs that you can, if you don't want to listen to specific songs, it will just create all this mix of songs that you can randomly listen to. And if I scroll down, there's new music that I'll probably like. Some of these playlists that I've listened to in the past. And let's go back. Another thing, podcast. These are all the podcasts that I follow on Spotify. So that's basically your whole entire library, really, and it shows like your recent songs that you recently played. Okay, that's mostly why your Spotify library is made out of. If you have any other questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.